Introducing the Rockwell Jaw Horse. The Jaw Horse is a sturdy, portable workstation. And for those two-man jobs, the Jaw Horse becomes your second set of hands. The powerful Jaw Horse has over 1 ton of clamping force and can hold almost anything. If you could use a second set of hands on the job or around the house, then you need the Jaw Horse. Go to jawhorse.com to find out more. That's www.jawhorse.com.
Handle cutting for a variety of your wood projects. In this example, we'll be demonstrating how to cut out a bowl blank. Begin by finding the center of your bowl blank by drawing diagonal lines from corner to corner. Set your compass to slightly less than the radius and then draw a circle to outline the layout of the bowl. Now, raise your guard to slightly above the height of your blank and tighten the tension on the rack. Next, move the fence out of the way to give yourself some room. Turn the saw on. Rotate the bowl through the saw to cut each corner section. Maintain a consistent light pressure as you move the bowl through the blade so that you do not force it. If you get drift while moving your bowl through the blade, you may need to check your blade tension and blade guides. Once your cut is complete, turn the bandsaw off. Learn more about the Jet 14-inch woodworking bandsaw on our website. And don't forget that your tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee.
Remember when you had to smooth out those joists? When you needed to easily fix a stubborn door or make 2 uneven boards flush? Now you can do all this and more with the Win electric hand planer. The 6-amp motor provides up to 34,000 cuts per minute through even the hardest of woods. While most of our competitors have a maximum depth of 5/64ths of an inch, the Win planer exhibits 16 positive stops in 1/128th inch increments to fine-tune your cuts anywhere up to 1/8 of an inch deep. The Win electric hand planer also comes with a handy dust collection bag that can be attached to either the right or left hand side of the planer, an adjustment wrench with onboard storage, a kickstand to protect your blade, a rabbiting guide to help measure the depth of your rabbets, and a parallel fence for making perfectly straight cuts. The base of the plate even has a V-shaped groove to help make chamfering the corners of your wood easier than ever. And if you have a dust extractor, you can plug it right into either side of your unit to maximize the collection of sawdust and keep your work area clean. Remember when you had a reliable planer that gave you years of quality service?